Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to filter languages on Mastodon. For example, if you're bilingual or trilingual, so you want to see all the posts in all the different languages you can understand, I'm going to show you how to set that up. So let's get started. First, we're going to tap on the settings icon that's located in our top right corner. Next, we're going to slide down to the boring zone and we're going to click on account settings. We're going to click on continue. When we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes on our top right corner. We're going to select preferences. Now we're going to select the three stripes in our top right corner again, and we're going to select other. So as we scroll down, you're going to see filter languages. So for example, you understand English and Greek, and you want posts in English and Greek to appear. You're going to select them or select whatever languages you like, and you're going to click on Save Changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!